You figured that you will be moving to your new place of residence right around summer, and you also know just how hot it gets during that time.
So consider getting air conditioning units to provide temperature control around the house.
One of the best units in the market today is the Haier air conditioner, which has been a pillar of dependability when it comes to cooling equipment.
There are different types of Haier air conditioner and it suits practically every part of the house, be it the bedrooms, the recreation room, living room, dining area, etc.
There is a Haier air conditioner for every type of area, residential or otherwise.
If you are in the market for one AC unit or more, you might want to know first exactly which particular one you need.
For small areas, you can go for window or wall types. For large areas, spilt types are always dependable, plus they are easy to install.
If you are concerned about saving on power and energy, you can go for portable units which you can just transfer from one room to another when needed.
You also have to know the duct work around your house and where the pipes and wirings are, so when your Haier air conditioner is installed, nothing will be even remotely disturbed.
It is important that you get the right unit for every room for maximum and efficient cooling effect, otherwise you will be wasting a great deal of money for a purchase that is a dud.